Hello students, welcome to Mystery in Chemistry's Tips and Tricks series. Understanding chemistry and scoring high in exams are two different things and hence required different set of skills. Let us learn some tips to help you score 100 out of 100 in chemistry. Here is the first tip. Read the question carefully and underline the keywords. To understand it, let us take an example. This question is here. The first thing to do is read the question carefully. Out of sodium chloride and AgCl, which shows Frenkel defect and why. Next, underline the keywords. So here the keywords are sodium chloride, AgCl, Frenkel defect and why. With the Frenkel defect, you may immediately recall, oh, it is displacement of cation from its original site to the interstitial site. Come back to the question. Notice the comparison out of sodium chloride and AgCl. Here, AgCl is the correct answer. Now focus to the second part of the question, that is why. It is because Ag plus ion is smaller in size as compared to sodium plus ion. So when the Ag plus ion is smaller in size, then only cation is smaller, then only it can very easily slide in the interstitial site and the defect will be Frenkel defect in the crystal. So what you have learnt just now, how identifying the keywords help you recall the nitty-gritty involved in the topic and quickly solve the problem. Thank you.